For me, it's quite hard to be exactly numbers, but what we can do, just let's see the structure of our energy sector. First, nuclear. 55% of electricity in Ukraine produced by Ukrainian nuclear power stations. And when we talk about future of nuclear, and I hope all these debates in Europe will come to conclusion that nuclear can be seen as a sustain or clean energy, then we should start thinking about new technologies to be imported to Ukraine, and we work quite closely with our partners in the United Kingdom, in the United States, to bring this technology to Ukraine as one of the first countries with deployment of small modular reactors, so that we build very significant capacity of power to be used in Ukraine and also exported. And only certification of this technology, one technology, costs 1.2 billion in the United States. So you can understand the estimation how much will be to produce it and to deploy in the country. Then we're talking about renewables. So if we speak about 30 gigawatt of renewables, then it can cost as much as 35 billion euro investments. If we speak about transmission lines, recent estimation from our grid operator that Ukraine needs about up to 40 billion to renovate our energy system or our high voltage grid. So we're talking about hundreds of billions, but it's not a matter of 1 year, not even 10 years. What is important for Ukraine first is to have vision. What country we want to build, especially in talking about energy. Who are our partners? And here, when we speak about this initiative, we try to build coalition of major energy companies, IFIs, government representatives. Because when we speak about such a level of investments, we need to have such coalition. The second. And the third, how everything will be organized in post-war Ukraine. How strong will be democratic institutions, what level of professional people will be in government, and how we can digest all these investments, and how we can make Ukraine different in terms of corruption, rule of law, investment climate. And this is our homework, which we should be start doing now to be prepared when building new Ukraine will start.